We flying over to Whole Foods. I'm telling you right now, Whole Foods has some great sourdough. Holy crap, it is so good. And this is just awesome. Like, it looks like a twig.
Looks like a tree branch.
Sweet beef right here. Oh my god. So here's how it's done. Check it out. Good caramelization underneath. Oh ho ho. There you go. You just let it cook. That's it. Check it out. Now this is where blokes tend to go wrong because they do shit like this. They see a good patty there and they're like, oh, is it done? They go poking at it. Oh no. You see they're letting all the juices out right there, mate. Can't be letting them juices out. Let them sit there for a minute, let them marinate, right?
Oh, we have to choose on that.
What we gonna... Let me get to that, dude. What I'm trying to do over here is work on the cheese while Joe's spilling the beans over here. He can't help it, it's in his nature, right? So we're just gonna lay a couple of thick slices of American cheese on that, brother. And we're gonna cover it right back up. Wheat hamburger buns brioche from the Whole Foods because we are from Irvine. And in Irvine we eat many great things, including this burger. Look at that glory. Come as I serve the burger. Hey Joe, get your ass over here. Oh my god. Oh, oh. Oh. Here. Put it there to rest, right? Just let it rest. Now sit here. Yeah, let it rest. And over here we have our Beyond Patties. And the Beyond Patties are so real. Well, I do believe that these look like beef. Like a straight beef patty. Oh, look at that. Oh. Hey. My god. That is a burger. Yeah. This is for a Titan. Oh, yeah. Let's look inside there. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Perfectly medium to well done burger. So delicious. Only the finest in Irvine. So we got formula sour. So let's go ahead and do a formula sour challenge. Yeah. I'm about to become a beast. I'm gonna check it out. I'm about to turn into a monster, guys. Doesn't taste that sour from just the lid. I mean, I don't know if you're supposed to drink all of it like that, but wasn't that bad. As my face scrunches up. Pretty good, Professor. Not good enough. Try again.